African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Yo, mejor si mi acuerdo por la metu horizon la mi fa when back to you when you are about to for 20 months boy in your ways of doing a mi fa but to am the kind you get on the forces here the mouth where I'm in the government about to han that Jacob balik community na mia ajo na ko so ba mi akari mi ako aku mi aku na miso ng gobe niya po nkawe niya na po niya jojo chu niya kung tomafia kaya niya ili ka katawang luto ako niya ka hiyang niya jojo uha kaya nagpuga niya medyo nang misyon na kaya ano mo kung niya ka kaya magpagparekaba ko kaya niya ang disiplina ko kapag yung magpapanaw sorry compressa mi dica cioè che vai a well kika mag abu begitu muchumu baru ya ni mo kata mi juga ada ba ni pula Krishna ni apa pokoknya cile ngau ju betul tahu na ano ge itu mo ya le ko Krishna ni
Argentina menunggu Spain mejibe luada wana Argentina menunggu akale nuwa koko kujibula kare anu ya nubeka 90 minutes ko Spain koko duko
yang no kombo ba chi ba lo kia ya ma kono tu mo ka 90 minutes right by 90 minutes by ya yo
90 minutes extra time koko duko nice go here.
All right, mi hapo mkola video tu yang proses mile prisi ema pregnancy wona ana wana ga ta wucha wa nami kana imado yebo abaka ko kata ho pale na da fuma ye nyapo se do nyaro do people nya show batoma mali mi on TV you have more than welcome to the transmission because it's a Benga TV's morning edition of shows coming up with your focus and that's a motivational message. In order to succeed you must believe that we can. In order to succeed you must believe that we can. I always say success by always is how believing that we can. Therefore, you can elaborate and advise Ati akan dapat ati akan buat nama ada punya buku itu ini ada itu ada itu kata boleh buku kamu boleh Prophet Abu ni juga apa Prophet ni guys how they go guys over Ghana will go to the final. That is the spirit. That is the spirit. It's not false prophecy. Yes, it's not false. That's the spirit. Because never mauli at the way of body at the back, you're not too if you are going to if you don't go. So in that light, these are not for don't you me get a pana, me coordinate, me the home, you do the one I'm
Ai church wako na wengine na ndo tupa pass kwa hivyo kwa kwa Facebook kwa direct tweet bego na vile pass ngeta na imesono je ya pass bado imesono ya mene magic kuma pass.
So believe that you can, and then I will get motivational message. That's a motivation message for today. In order to succeed, you must believe that we can. Ghana believe that we can. Me, I know that some of the time we say that we're trying to cheat on now. I have a doctor, lawyer, 25-year lawyer,
First match.
Yeah, that's my say. Yeah, Grammy, we share.
First match.
So, me say, I'm going to go digital. In 6 months' time. I'm going to go digital. 1 year time. American has to cover it at the same time because they believe so much, they invest so much. Race teaches story. Race teaches story. The fragile put the qualify. So imagine how many shops, how many pubs, how many restaurants will rebrand just because of Ghana. Welcome.
A lot of people go to GCC now. Don't never GCC.
Was it very much a Ammonia out of
from the start, many of then I think over second match, over draw, giving me the draw para. They are still holding a position. So we may anyway. All the same, Jana.
Well, me prepare. Yeah, if you come here for coaching, where was it? Make me say, well, where resign? I don't know.
That's why you know Ghana football. I don't think 42 players ago. Authorities because they coach people make sure what he's doing. Actually, resign to Ghana, and there's a question mark somewhere. And
maybe like resign, I can go over
maybe I recommend there stepping up of a position. Then you have a position every be resign. I do. We have a several. And Chimega feel young talent only. May things will the young talent are striving to play. If you are making sure that you are football, all one to and so right now, we're putting just a real so whether we win, we don't win, we live. But then they young talent will definitely they are not coming to achieve what they want to achieve with football. They will do better.
Well, brief motivational segment in my Miapo, Nkarenye, and Joe, you will let Miapo and you can operate out there. She get a bit of a club with the Kaka and Bag, Ukarota, and Bravo with the open be a Mokalo. Yeah, maybe Magnapulani. So, me, I there. Many other newspapers will go to a pasture up. They're going to give 0242670773 in your number there. Them as an Apple 0242670773 in your number. Everybody not the text message home. Unfortunately, not the text message home. I can we do WhatsApp messages so them. They can do text down, do WhatsApp messages so them. 0242670773 is the number. Is a for the WhatsApp messages. Now we could be the Chumagala, it's a relaxed day, it's a cool morning, Olivia can be like a very cool morning. When my TV work to old technical university, I will poly, I never poly, Yanchi, that was the part of the Yanchi. After my getting out of Japan, my child, Nya, who do what you do, I look at them when I'm like that. What do we have actually a TV or mass, but actually a capital, true. I'm looking for French, the Ganchi, let me you go her trouble, yeah, I'm sure now, don't you go near some two in the all those other countries are +233 242670773 number +233 2426770 is the number. All right, so I go for a short break.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e pass k. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo the language. Nanya make a manyaba by few. I be a strong but praha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know ha. I must make a nanya by the module po. And be a strong but baha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile was so mad than a player. I place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if you can la nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go.
Oh, what the? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. Ibarat film logo, kakak tu pui. Katanya cuma traditoy. Pokoknya uang sepuluh kilo.
Oh.
Yang mana faham? Yang mana datang macam? Kamu masih kau? Oh, belum.
Dari nanti Abraham tu barakai nilai. Apa sih ketukannya bobo ya wa? But the husband that didn't run fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Brandy who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara.
Chico,
Va vai Batacano Subo, Itabica Dada Sicramonto, Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, Wetofina.
Ira vola tobo. Yemon no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola Chica no plan. Na Zama Fiva Nana Kama Furaganao, Mashama Nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanyeza vola Chica. Nyatuma toro ha. Was a vola Chica for 4 Gigila.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola Pachica la Chica Drapo Kata. Alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu. Ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu. Le hoa. Apola old fashioned la akwe. Kala papwea. Gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street. Ojango local restaurant atututu. Opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamni dagba wa oja dogoma ndiga adrekla afa badashina ndogawi afa okana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina nemiayi vola basenta afima mia pota yola nyadeba vola
Valeu, a Crowley la food now, Alla la food now, Domadula food now, a chita paraca, Ufutomacata, Malato one you do. It's a Macronova, Naila Vola Heba Center, you can let them go upload Victoria Parker, a few Macadora, what to a camera, what Futo, Wofukame, a Fukama to Dokata, Vola Heba Center. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Come on. Vola.
Kadung kwajiba vola Pachica Mununa.
Yo, Yapon Colombia is a true. Chuchu Pima coming back. Yam, Tony Mapania, Yapon, Leva, Batty, D1G, Miller, Natushu Bama Machuga, Kermata Bernard. TV Kerbonya, Dishanti, Joyapo, and Abalaco Korea, the Canadian Battery, Old Africa University, the Watery, Nigeria, Yanchashi, Magakamo, Nagremiaji, other Napel. If I don't know, I have 02677 773. So daily guide. All right, daily guide. NPP must regain business trust. NPP must regain business trust. Chairman for Prima Coming at my Babajan in China. Regain business trust. Everybody has to channel. I'm not she can. I'm not she channel. Gold bags 54 tons in 6 months. Gold bags 54 tons. That is one of my Banka down 54 tons. That's US rolling Oxa. foreign actor US ruling officer. Baba Wonga, Iko drop wa fiba ni mongo ko akan ko ibi auto hafa mchucho aka tentu ka lego ngaji kontrolano teu afiba frata mata buka ko maru iko moso kane ikana oli fia ikana ko bu Alright, don't sign tribunals bill. To Mahama. Tribunals, you go on in the PNC money. You can draw and you have to use you if you have gone if you have a and you have used more or draw your mouth, for the attorney general doctor, according to echo serve war we actually sort of home no dash regime actually to go no dash Obuganya said kind of a tribunal atandro on Arakadrunya. Now, I'm connected to Tokuna Parliament. I don't believe the man that Dura age at putting in the Akoyumaki and if you talk Shima Nola, Parliament over a prima solution to Chobwe justice. Chobwe justice, if you have a Chogola that or Robin, my bar, job for the boys. We're gonna Mama boys who get the Mama boys who Joko Choga. Then I'm alone and I'm to go. Joy, Afma, so wait to wake a chapel or leader. Hello, a party from my oil mark on the moon on an approach. I grew what happened. Our community service. Never would there should be decentralization of justice. Baumi, I did what I told Mahama. Ye, Aroramo, Mika Primi, Akuri, PNC. Tribunals Bilia, Kenya, Untume, for on Robert Kutuya or Siam and disregard misinformation against Adamos resources. AG admits absence of key evidence in a Guwahim trial. AG admits absence of key evidence in a Guwahim trial. A Guwahim trial against a Signals Bureau of the Commander of the and Chuchunya. RussianOnyanya, Yokonya, Kolanya drinking, Lekola Momo, Attorney General, Sanyakan, you have Rasifo, the Ujibunya Rasifo, Papa, Yana, or Yada Sena, or Terrible, or Bufo, Uwania, Rasifo, and Yadu. Tracy and Johnson. I can come here to topic of my third country.
I'm going for the first time. My agree with having my kids. To avoid judgment, having the kind of help with me, right? Because now all that small quality, I'm innocent already cried this court system. Innocent people are already there. All of us were these small ones there. And I'm aware of the injustice there. Thank you.
Have you ever feel a court guy only? I'm going to Major. I feel that we're going to sweet us.
Innocent people are getting
if you're innocent,
because this big court, I mean, all the prison fee, the government, they don't have the equipment to get good lawyers to talk for them, and they end up there. That AKA, which of provide your lawyer, and you have present perfect case. And within that 1 month, the Ghanaian has been a good lawyer automatically a job without good evidence. I make a point and then we critical.
But in the book, I'm more because Martin Pebu, Corisa Hassan, Camilla Hassan, the German neighbor, name more 1 year. Police won't turn and go Camilla how ever lawyer how Amaro you need out. Yeah, I thought they don't go to fight. You follow up a girl and I talk to you whenever a dare police. So even there's a way they will handle you, or there's a way they can handle you. If there were a video one second, you know, now you buy how much like that. So maybe these are some of the things like name a proper court, a court of competent jurisdiction and the judgment of that nature. And people who have the people who campaign for the NDC. I'll put it out because the attorney general let people whenever the kind of reactions they had from the NDC, it was very obvious that people was working for the NDC. You understand? So me nyama block pire kwenye well mahama intofa nyama into makajiba konde yeshibe for honeymoon vai aleko e kafung bashagbo e kafu gbe. It's no longer going that way. And the more people don't praise you, the more you stand chances of losing elections, though it's not always about elections. So that's that. Those are the issues there. Peparo hagalemiagbo. Peparo galemiagbo pa ike miga bogera. The publisher. Just a quick one. The publisher. Baumia's plea to Mahama, don't sign tribunal's deal. Daily Gadvai, your publisher, Hanya Blom. Baumia's plea to Mahama, don't sign tribunal's deal. Mahama. A guy could choga yola. Bamia brutolo nyanyankano machoing. A guy choga mianacono tribunal ya room. Tribunal those days, JJ time, I wrote a school homoko, Donagola. Church homoko, Vanaleco. That tribunals you form more difficult. Where are they going to be? If you are mention your politicians or me, correct. Fika mina tribunal a rowing assembly, assembly, district assembly. Those days of a council, assemblyman, councilman. Eko no na ba rent control tore. Eko no na piaro ko 1 Oh, damn. Kangaroo justice, junkie justice, don't waste justice. So please, a guy me call. I don't know. I'm more appointing as magistrate. So you know, those magistrates of these tribunals. We call government for 24-hour economy. We call government for do more. Even if you could not do the 24-hour economy, and when people that Maryland at the end, a more back clay, top flower, toko to be precise. What do we mean? At least people will be happy You understand? We will be happy. From 1992 to a mojo who appear by a mojo who appear by a flower. Then I'm a 1992. Then mother the Grammy War. And of course, when you're married, you could come up for this and you put that more of a time. It's enough. You can get tribunal for what? You get what I mean? Get more judges, do 24-hour economy in the court. Because, well, they high court appear. A time I look around, latest like 10 years ago. Look, you're not case 163. Look, I bet the judge at the TV, I join ya, don't ya, versus public when you are next case, next week, catch up, on you everything we are doing. Because yeah, aside of that, ideology, you understand, because court are not making money. Don't run. Now maybe out, don't money. Down the time of the one court daddy, after you, after your judgment. So why would you have employed 3 judges? I'm on the case 8 a.m. to 12. Okay, Ekman, Amarana 2 to 6. Ekman, Marana 8 to 10. Allo 6, 7 to 10. Give me even 24-hour economy. This is the kind of you're talking about. You see, I would have been thinking, maybe, I would have been thinking, maybe, court the camera is a judge, canon, and if I judge on the camera, who can't pass from me, can be back. 24-hour economy. Because I'm never common sense, common sense. Common sense. The same court 2 judges. That office the company judge then you get another registrar and you divide the cases so money shift. Abaleke mama o kupo akupado Lebanon free night for the shift Lebanon you understand? You come here with court tax system. Use your brains and use your brains. You understand why do you need tribunal? They are better infrastructure medali now, space medali now. If you make a good idea about the go get judge come here back over magistrate where is Malaysia. Do you get it? Malaysia. What's called Makote? If I were you, I would look at every 16 regions. Come about high court Richard here. No, the workforce should be doubled. Even if not all the workforce, there should be another judge. Okay, an additional registrar, an additional clerk. But I can't just take the decision by myself. I will engage the people. Yes. So judge the Kakma 2, Ejo Bubuva. Case bubu jaguar 4 bukaka 8 go come if you are court craft and you court yes 24-hour economy if you are tell me 24-hour economy you squad you couldn't do thing about 24-hour economy.
You're still in power,
Anyway, the publication we join the publication. Bawumia plea to Mahama, don't sign tribunal's bill. Gold Board Eyes record output buys 54 tons in 6 months. I mean, we are Nick Bumaho. Hanan moves to strike out charges. Hearing fixed for today. Wow. Hanan, but yeah, now, buffer stop. Stop former boss over here. If a lawyer attach him, man carry on the football, the lawyer attach him, don't say. $1, new dollar rate. That better dollar. Aku $1 gas Mahaman dollar comes. Star, you were charges, strike out charges. Period. And we are going to by the end of when I give a rapo, Tani from we are from anyway, so they do what you are paper on Coca declares bid to succeed one to me. Oh wow, Coca Bearazo. Shimanola MPP Tole Ashanti Drum. I have my eyes MPP Vice Chancellor. Oh wow, really? So Miracles Abaji Bearazo Communications boss na MPP. Ya Zoom Nyangdela na MPP Kata ya Nyamekano Fumlo. Ahiagbanye current communications boss, any communications director na NPP. Ahiagba ya yirengo abaso. No ahiagba is MPP vice chair. So that you abaso vice chairman. But want to maybe I the chairman. So ahiagba mala fumani ko pon ba otadela. Kaya ne want to maybe I chairman. But mind you, afoku hala fuma, afoku hala be the chairman. O ya zujimenola, want to maybe azujimenola. Takoka be I want to meet people Ashanti into me as Ashanti chairman, Ashanti regional chairman. Ke ahiagba habe evazu vice. Ta ne want to me yellow alo. Ya ke ahiagba be azu ahiagba. Okay, Miracles. Miracles will go straight up to communication. Yeah, straight up. Actually, Saturday, if get to daughter, no, me at Miracles Aboja, no, over demonstration like Yoko. Get to boys over my friend, Victoria over my own, Jai Papa, Jai Papa, Jai Papa, you know, that get to, girl, my available and it was a nice time. And more, one of who we did to come that would have been one of the headline stories there, but you may talk Mama Pogada. So that's that. We wish I have all the best. Yeah, I judge number. Will be the current human. You see, me politics in such a way, name is Melody Yoko, Nyon and a care in Yabo. I don't think so.
Okay, maybe because JJ found interest, maybe. NDC level, payments for party. But then people are here and they support other parties too.
Like, who cares about that? Who cares about Bulgarian and Ashanti in today's world? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Who really cares about that? Tanya, the number one NPP as a party now has a big problem. Admittedly so. Agreeably so. NPP a body, they have a problem. When NPP a Yamabakwa, Alumabachura, when you for time, for time, they were, let me say, elite people. They were among the town party. They were elite people. They were business men. If you have a number lawyer, then your business. That phone to a lawyer, okay, economist, you know that kind of thing. And with classic people, among the town and talking over party. You can't deny that. But we have the men. But you have boys. You understand, you have boys. I'm get 2 boys. You see, imagine Professor Krabia father, Papa Uswankuma, Osafo Mafu, Kunedu Africa, Alan German thing. You hear them. They have one with Yamaka. You understand?
We have kind of legacy.
Ghana. Do more the voter. But this you
that's all we see now. Politics of late today.
You're not before that time, very gentle giant. I am an university, before your president. ID, student ID, we're going to have Metromans. Metromans, I was to talk of those days are Metromans, double decker Metromans. The Metromans in Boho. have students who are down that are young, I'm still down that. We have students who ID card because they are for me, they are for because I like me, let me know, I free. No, you must go a benefit more about the work. I know how to talk. I never go NDC. Those days are, don't speak against the NDC, MPP, just because you are everywhere. I wonder if you're everybody. MPP, I'm it doesn't work that way. It's wrong. It's wrong. We don't have a rule of law. We don't have a sovereignty of the law. A strict woman. Oh, damn, but won't you be Bahama? Wow, I got one that I got one that and I don't want to make Mama. It doesn't look good for him. Oh, now, but to Bramoy. I'm telling you, that's our next big topic. Republic Press. Me, the Republic Press. Want to be deep mess. For me, the Republic Press. Want to be deep mess. You understand? I'm enough uncle. And you see me, I'm more and yet, you know, NPP. To moi alo ole alo embarrassing harass is good. It's good is the law they are using. The same law will be used one day when NDC goes into opposition. So it's good.
The president, everyone and everything you were new there because name is Jone over Jobe, law Ahemia, now the Junior. Can no come in position then they upgrade the comment the name is at advantage. You also face the law. That is it.
Want to me in deep mess as runs against MPP bosses.
Okay.
Shake chairmanship. I tried to read this. I'm trying to see if I can read this. Ashanti is now chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Bernard Enchwe Boyseako, popular known as Chairman, want to me. Yeah. May have okay, so I think I'm not able to read that, but Birakwa Jima want to me Jomo video are dead though. Chairman, why? And former secretary Justin Coach or no for now. A general secretary, why? The TV stations open radio stations that I call Ghana and discipline people to open ave Bonovapo. I can eat a car. Want to me TV kwenye MPP to fede and this talk more and want to me FM alo radio le Ashanti region ele takradi ela krakra I should think Kakuba two katan government by two katan because of license issues, regulatory issues some are not cooperating with the regulator, so their licenses have been taken. All the pain I'm going through, can't you see? And devastation now we are NPP the Desana NDC Mavana.
Because every station what are there is an MPP station, politics station, MPP talk with Banava Funanu.
Basa.
Yeah, they talk anyhow. Man, they don't have any casual conversation. What to do? A girado. What do I mean? That is it.
Well, want to me in deep mess. As runs against MPP bosses shake chairmanship. If you are and the video I saw nanya banana video McBoy Zang banana the video was basically talking to Justin Cody. Young Maton, I have go through so much pain, none of you come to my aid. You see, Marikama support you, Marikama you go call but you know let's be careful. Let's be careful. The politics and what goes around comes around. What goes up comes down, and what is down comes up in politics. So me, I don't want that. Won't you want prominent for Baumia, Atawas president. It's very easy. It depends on how Mama performs. Nem Ghana, nem Yamu and Yamu Miller Votary in Abia, where by the time and I so, yeah. So, please, and you have to give him, and you can't remember Malaka at a very early age, so that the people who have power will do the right. Please, I forget that. Mama, I'm going to tell you. May I make a from Ghana and then Macbo from Ghetto Ronnie's commercial Mama, I beg, Magato Loco. Mako going to be a Mako, but that's true. I'm not going to never trova, never trova, Yaso and Tony Manboy. All right.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary a so fi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view, and you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, allo language Nanya make a never view, and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know how I must make a never view mutual and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile boso so madana na kula. Atia place order Amazon. Allo number I can follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can WhatsApp. Afisi African la. Nyako no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno. Akwa no silence ever English dictionary. And you tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go, to put. I can't too much try to toy. When you want to put a killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother turn my to come on, not to go.
that another Abraham Fibaraka in LA, a particular to point for boy hour. But the husband had the dinner when I'm here. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara.
Well,
Va vai batakalo sugo itabi gada de fikremon tonto vola patika wa busielo wetofina
me yi ɖe vola tɔwo gbɔ ye me nɔ tsika kɔ mekpɔ ŋudzedze
vola tsika nono ƒle ne zama fiva naneke mefu ɖe gena o mesiame ne zi
míaƒe dzodɔwɔwɔ le dzodofita ita míezã vola tsika mía dometɔ ɖewo hã woze vola tsika ƒoƒuwo dzizi le eme.
This Vola Piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yira vola tɔwo ɔnawo la mesẽ.
Vola patsikawo le atikedzraƒewo katã alo geɖewo ƒe dɔyɔƒea me le aƒulawu wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa akpɔwo le old fashion le aƒoe ke le xɔaƒoea geɖewo dzi le agɔdome Yellow House Street wodze ŋgɔ local rice dzrala tututu woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memlidagbewoa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔ ga 12 ƒoka na vola le 0244 512 1450.
vola
Nina ne miayi vola eva senta afima mia pota yo la nyadeba vola
Viva là, applaudis le fou de now, allez le fou de now, Domadou le fou de now, a chita pas de cas, au foutu macata, mais le temps on y doit. Et tu m'as clonoba, il a vola heba senta, il connaît Django applaud, Victoria Paka, affirme à Kodoro, ou toi comme, ou foutu, ou foucame, tout dokata, vola heba senta. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola patsika monyuna funo nyɔnuwo no nama vi kple ɖevi.
Yo. Mia pun pola medan pun ni ni bling apa yang bagi buat dia ona ini aja ke yang boleh bersih dalam apa le apa dia ona. Mino yang menjunjung nyajojo alo natakakado yo kele the Republic Press and what they want to make deep mess want to make deep shithole and runs against MPP is in trouble, but it's normal. Political analysts know that these things are normal. NDC atung yamapo NDC kama toge nesi nakareje kone dube awazo flag barapo adai mabijua yo wa do bamba yes don't have to imagine a whole founder of a party not the party imagine mapa mawu every year ko watu kule year no Ayo kata joga na polo kata mo yo kata uzu api bomba Ghana ji NDC. So all these kind of things we have seen them before, and NDC has interesting times ahead. Mahama is not coming for a third time. Mahama, you don't. I think I'm already see Magaro, Midas Mahama, international problem. Dalemi. Mara kamu kamu. Rohani nama mai kita kemaru mai gola. It is the people. You are not serious. You are not serious. You are joking. That joking.
But for that political problem, the minister is not focused on the work they are assigned to. That's like vetted them.
Ya kan mana-mana. Dia nak bawa dia. Dia begunak bawa dia. Dia pun demonstrasi nak jago coba mabe. Baik kan bawa dia. From that day kuare, Parliament kata, don't go there. Please, I beg you. See, let me. I'm not ND. My NDC MPP now. I like him now to go and to come and I know. This strong to political history. If you want to make the nation governable, behave as if you are law abiding. The best person in character have take them in JJ. He is the best person that could have gone for a third term. Boy, I am a trial because I don't want Poma Chiamo, I'm a chiname. You understand? So let's stop these optics. Me, you know, and you tell if you are going to get sometime. I'm gonna, I'm a chicken. You might not get money to no. I'm a one of my I go, I know. That one I'm done. Is it my commission? Hey, what commission? Commission was radio, you know. You get it. Commission like Babalo, Gaka, Mareko, no, we talk about. And nobody is a journalist over Lisa. And that is it. My carry no commission that show I give you more to better. That's not what you want, you know. You see, because no, I give you a singer, yes, a comment, yes, a sound, yes, a woolly soul. You want something, this is current affairs. This is not history, this is not culture heritage. And then I am going to be on that's fine. So Shakespeare, we are all players, we exit. The world is a stage, you understand? We are all like actors. We have our entries and our exits. That's how it is. So please, meet the people, let them know. You are showing signs that you do understand how the nation works. As a woman, you mama from what you are over Mukulu, Nakaya, Mama, Yamudu, Tokataka, Egaji. Good. You see, so actually, I'm often for one Apostle Sam Katanga, great genius, Mark Ekulon, and then it will continue. You understand? That's how it is. Succession, paper for that. I'm saying, telling you something. Over Everku, Mama now the thing is going on. Succession when you are that time here. If you ever meet me with Mahaman of Man, I'm going to a president, you are joking, you are lying. Mahama was deputy to Spio Gabra. Let me tell you something. Ministry for Information. Spio Gabra was Minister of Information. Mahama was deputy. Egba Spio Gabra. He doesn't have any post at all. You understand? Yes. Cassiel Atoforsen was Deputy Minister of Finance to Tekbe. Egba said, Tekbe Lagwe. No, Ato is forcing. Ato is forcing. What way, small way, or dead domain. I feel low in finance because I think in Ghana, but more set that no numbers you throw the parliament, I don't know numbers you throw the parliament or small than the back that said, Baba is set that bella. Don't deceive yourself that people don't have ambitions or their ambitions are there. I said, look at the idea for another boy in those days with a very slim. I said to like Baro, Mahama, two. Let's go for a short break. Let's go for a short break.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, Alola language, then you make a maneuver with you, and be a strong but Praha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must make an never be mutual rapport, and be a strong but Baha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know Mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player at place order Amazon, a low number can I follow screen Nigeria. Open me to the can also have a African la Yako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno, Akbe. Nusilence Ever English Dictionary. Enyon Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie nine junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go do it.
Oh, very ma. If I don't quit them, go to put. Tanya too much try to toy. When it warms, put a killer.
Oh,
never for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that another Abraham if Baraka in LA, a party to Pony for boy hour. But the husband that did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Bunny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yahokatara Gate.
Well, when not to go,
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that is the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Wusielo, wait off here.
Maybe vola tobo. You man no Chicago, Mokpong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama. Fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanyeza vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu ojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwea gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street ojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli dagbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina nemiayi Vola basenta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola
Efi valao Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nyidewa Eti makolo noba Na ile Vola Heba Center Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park Afima na kodo Wotua kame Wafuto Wafukame Wafukame tutu dokada Vola Heba Center prosper the beneba. Come on.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vi kle de fi o mo hofo wi afa o
Donc, il va jouer 4, 2, 6, 7, 0, 7, 7, check up 0, 2, 4, 2, 6, 7, 0, 7, 3. Me, which is the public press, the publisher. Don't sign Bawumia tells Muhammad, Tribunal will resurrect DNC Sierra Coast. Don't sign Bawumia tells Muhammad, Tribunal will resurrect DNC Sierra Coast. Nyamaka Bana Aleko the same thing, one Bawumia Kokura Magadashi, Bana Matora. Banama Bromo Okoro Tribunal Proper Culture and Tontoma and Nabama versus so Tribunal Okoro Amea Hoya you know so PNDC goes PNDC era goes resurrect. Yeah, so very important that we look at that. All right, military job scan, 73 victims, 1.68 million Ghana cedis. Military job scan, 73 victims, 1.68 million Ghana cedis. Amaro, Gatiolo, Ogafi Amaro. Over your Dojao, Jalagana.
This podcast for recruitment, still.
Amaroma over Chigano, America, Bomba, Andre Water, 73 victims. Over at Chogana, your Benechu and your Kudono, Gambling at Chugaka, Miomi 1.6, a Modoga 1.68 million Ghana. So now. Let Tamarana Chuga and Soja. Soja, Soja,
they cannot help you to the top. Name medicals. Name recruitment processing. Name medicals. Medicals, we are not fit. Don't let them use the system. You might be so so they cannot help you. What problem? I don't know why people still pay for this amendment.
Military job scan, 1.68 million Ghana cedis. Nanabi contest vice chair. Nanabi have a vice. Afoko outlines economic strategy. So Afoko be a chairman, PP. Nanabi be a vice chair. Abo ahamba masanzi abaya. Oh, we wish you well. All right, Republic. No, we have moved away from Republic Press. What we publish here, come here, the informer, the informer. In this issue, secret campaign, cash killing democracy. Okay, that's a good one. Secret campaign casting African democracy. I-A-C-I-L-A-B-O-S or Asila. In this issue, secret campaign casting African democracy Asila boss. Over Gayo last minute. And another democracy also some years ago, the Maglory. TUC MPP opposed tribunal. Okay, you see that. Trade Unions Congress, those workers. NDC, workers opposed tribunal. MPP opposed tribunal. And why would you do a broad consultation of this? Tribunal, creating a young tuber or operation recover or do tribunal. Kakari, name you know, tribunal, and you know, go when I say, you know that it's so simple. After some years, first thing is that make sure you are not talking about Basa, let me put the program, Manana, China. I wasn't like that. That only for me, some of them, I like a banana to dump up for the Urupi Tomabonia, Comano, Ye call the was personal on grata. So, if you like, don't listen. You go at me, if you like, don't listen. And do what you like, so that you recover all goods. When I come out, if you are, I don't go, you are now the magistrate of this place. Again, come back home to face justice of you make carriage, we treat it. That's another thing. You will carry it where you that only 50 million. Small boy, small boy. 50 million. Kenya has you guys don't say. You don't feel that. Muhammad said, Muhammad is on power drunk element. Says constitution presents non-ambiguity. Beautiful. Third Muhammad disowns power drunk elements. Says constitution presents non-ambiguity. Muhammad, the Clement de Moulin, you never said, but don't let me walk a lot. Let me get that boy. I got one. You man, if I see your third debate, Muhammad disowns power drunk elements. I'm no have no, I'm going to Constitution presents no ambiguity. Mabialo ima you get it? It's the same thing. Alo gada. Kau tu ni lagi nama problem. Nama you see, I know the president. Sort of people, the brand new run. I read another and he was supposed to be a one person. You remember more for now. Everybody got elements. You know, I'm about if you that's and Mama says he starts from power drunk elements. You see, so I want to I don't remember phone calls, people going to see you. Daniel will be there. Maybe I'm going to have a Barack Obama. You watch the record remains as the president. Minya problem dami kami aku senang dia sistem soal orang yang terhormat apa kami cakap lawannya kami cakap lawannya maybe nyawa kita kau jangan kau mau masalah ingin presiden ni kan yang jadi presiden apa jualan apa ring sarung ini ya paru apa yang makin apa yang makin berumuman makanan makanan jika pelanda menurut beauty validate bamian kalau cari saya oke bom apa bamian apa gold for oil kalau ni apa cuma bisnis acung ada orang yang pemomong ni mega dolar apa ini dolar kami akan atau phone-nya ma baunya jago yena nya fa danya o bojo afi asewa dai mo basa baumnya strategy ye work menye gbomo all right going back to my point on Nigeria, when you are long, Tony, you appreciate it. Text message the text message WhatsApp message so you do right mafanya you message so download dead TVI you talk on the map all right, let's jail TikTok company forced to plead guilty. The Daily Gist. Jail TikTok company forced to plead guilty. Camila Hassan, you know Camila Hassan. Bijaya kaca kanan kaca ya right one conversation kan ini even kaga Camila oh you think say is a guy the kaca kaka the bad part is that she was beaten and forced to plead guilty kubola ngono ya kan ya topi fulani mbona mara kubola habobo Jumaha mabe alu beberapa Muhammad ngomong belakang Then you have to maybe cut down president. You don't catch up. Yeah, I am a carrying because I put Pariabo to a man, I don't have a force to fulfill which I don't care. Of course, I believe I'm a trouble. Cannot be alone. So, what are you saying? To plead guilty simply means you have admitted your offense. And I'm not able to know what to be a problem. A problem. I stop on it like that. So I don't know. But who said that? Yes. But no forced to plead guilty. I don't know. Normally, never quarter, you need to lawyer. Lawyer, cannot be a criminal case. You see, guilty of court of when they go to the church. Name guilty of communion. Software meaning guilty. Mouth the church here, never guilty. Lord forgive me. Careful. Jesus, that never court. I am guilty. You can they will not forgive you. Never forgive me. It means clemency, ameliorate the sentence, reduce the sentence. So instead of going to jail, maximum sentence 15 years, they can give a minimum sentence 3 years. And in a case like this, 1 month without a minimum sentence. You understand what I mean? Kakai had been no, we have so, forced to plead guilty may mean that I just want a lawyer. No lawyer, I'm going to die. So that is what we should have. Is it because this is a similar problem? Oh, yes. 1 year before 1 year. It's a similar problem. As the president, young president. President able to bowl. I'm a baby.
So that one is going to happen. When you pray about creation, when you need to. So then I go for my that is then 1 year.
See, the question would be, Muhammad, and you have the whole central is told you about me. Oh, you can't even know ada municipal executive Jeremy Lupa, aku berbau lain. Mereka nak bau lain. Aku sorry bau But every time I put the tool, what I do as a journalist, I gave you one again, never had station only one Kaka, station one is your politician. I put my mind, want to never want to. I'm a member of Wole, I know generally a couple so those generally and I'm making sure I do the right. You see, there are so many things that can be done to the end of that element. Jail, so forced to plead guilty in court with me. Instead of being guilty or not guilty. Never, then I go over. I'm on the man sign. Then I don't know, never sign. Wow.
kotu ama okotu ya edo wa ba no buka kota ala ba ga fu na gala ba jaja na na jamba primary evidence ni o kota ko o ne jaja ba fi gama na yo ba ga to ya de nya ba na gama de law the shortage is justified e ba ni ban ro ba ma ga na ku ya ga apa sosok yang kotor tak ada nama membawa sosok kotor ini bamba kos ini yang saya plan saya sebagai yang kue kau banyak banget kau pengarang so ni yang tak sudah beli ke kami lawan aku relief ya aku ada untuk lagi apa yang berbau Mending polis wasit. Ini juga bisa dilaporkan jadi loyal atau kekerasan awal bis. Ya, Alright, stop the kangaroo court. Kangaroo court. MPP must cut business to return to power. Oh, okay. Agbana clear on that. What Afoko meant was MPP must cut businesses to return to power. MPP must be able to, get business, cut them, win them over. Win them over. Win businesses over to support their agenda. Spain Lift World Cup Trophy. That's a beautiful one. Sewa Regional Hospital contractor overpaid Akanga. Sewa Regional Hospital contractor overpaid Akanga. And so what? I thought Akanga, Minister of Health, was contractor may go there for condition to do Shinaba to consider Sewa Toma, Ukaganaba. What I would want to hear over you understand action. OSP's Ofori Atta is traditional in limbo as US court grants him permanent residency. Alright, you can approach me now.
They should win our trust.
Okay, they should win your trust. Many businesses that
everybody. Business is changing. But any Tony over winning breakers, Bishop when you businessman. If I play any that going out from a different perspective. And I can never go now, I can wipe it out. So if you should win your Katamari trust, then I think it will go a long way more than the business.
Okay, the delegation. And it also mentions leadership. Leadership is a big deal. In politics. See, I can leadership American leadership coach, big time. Leadership is not successful until a successor. Leadership, the success of leadership is measured by the success of success. Have you ever been you know what? If you ever have a wow. Oh, of course, when Kutuka and Crap for how So there was an attempt to destroy it. Yeah, we understand. But if you have democracy, that's it. Nkuma ba idea is not true. Talk there about why we have Ghana, where can have it. Joe, where Nkuma never died. If you are American man, if you have correct. Tajin man vice president Sajena. Look at the bomb. Nyam mam kita mesti akan curi tu. Agalan, alufia game. You know what? It's a vibe. We have this vibe. Kakak kau women who are bang. Rubia. Bukan tu kan yang.
Coca-Cola, watu bangi rasmi ya kuzwe asichano nyola. Coca-Cola kubacha magaba ya mereke bwa bazu.
Taiji. My people. When I know so. Interesting. So, Miller, you know, Balakima Statesman, the Daily Statesman, very much upon calls for honest dialogue with MPP, if we just saturate this and not dump charges PAP to produce measurable results. Okay, so these are the things we have here on the Daily Statesman. All right. Azor, Daily Searchlight, man. Okay, Daily Searchlight. Daily Searchlight calls the election comeback key. John Mahama post to victory. Ballot box to throw up 4 years of economic stagnation. Daily Searchlight calls the election comeback key. John Mahama post to victory. Ballot box to throw up 4 years of economic stagnation. Daily Searchlight calls for election. Come back key. John Mahama post to victory. Ballot box to throw up 4 years of economic stagnation. Then I'll again Daily Searchlight calls for election. If you are Daily Searchlight, maybe by me, Kaka come back key. John Mahama. Come back key. Mahama come back key. Mahama trova. Mama goes to victory. Yama tojibula chiji. Yoma tojiwa akru mama za na akru le chiji. America ma akru domo. Row your boat. Ne akru le chiji. Yaka America maku achiko chiahemo. Ya akru to chiaji. Kafika ya wangu kwa alofika waves so chia so that we down baro. It means that ship has posted. So come back and keep John Mahama post to victory. Ballot box to throw up 4 years of economic stagnation. All these are powerful writing, literary tools that this guy is using. Daily Searchlight calls the election. Come back and keep Mahama close to victory. Daily Searchlight calls the election. So could that be the previous election? That is a figure of speech. Daily Searchlight calls the election. Come back and keep John Mahama close to victory. Abaka election Mahama Majibu Interparamo Nana so exceptional because situation made it such that you understand what it means. Akufo-Addo had peacefully that he had to just it's possible. Ballot box to throw up 4 years of economic stagnation. So 4 years, Nana Ghana 4 years, Nana Ghana 8 years. Ta ne Mahama uyong beki ye ukos ati aba akoi ke mahama be uma maraka magdu toji wa to so la ro gaga kawaru fifia upon ballot box that one and ballot box to throw up 4 years of economic stagnation. Question is make good for 4 years. That is and mikbo bamioro kata mikbo mahama kata victory attack. Interesting. What do you want to comment on? Like in a if I know you use newspaper headline,
the whole thing is a bit confusing because it is talking about Mahama Alright. The ballot works throughout for 4 years of economic stagnation. Also is good. But in the two images there.
Okay, yeah, talking about
So let's take it like this. Make sure that we are trying to say, so, okay, MPP Vazi, the first 4 years, it is their second term that he came to take charge of some one or two things. And so maybe the trade up 4 years of economic stabilization would be for Bawumia for their second term.
The second term.
Yeah,
Daily Satellite calls the election. Come back to John Mahama. Coast to victory. Ballot box to throw up 4 years of economic stagnation. You know what? Politician look at politician. All right, when you talk about me as if I threw it. What do you mean you mess with one? All right, the election before. Nampo condemns speech and religious bigotry against electors to vote for competent and visionary leaders. Nampo Elizabeth Jua Mena Asari wins prestigious 2024 African Writers Award. Young girl by Africa Alan Chemate will address Ghana's road and internet infrastructure challenge. Chairman Tagara, Chemate. Obe Alan Chemate Hagali, Elipa, Bona. All right, Nyabon Polo, Nyamuchu work by Yenya. American politicians are Ghana now as I want to Dagba some of very high. Okay, the Delhi Richard Anyapa joins race for MPP National Vice Chairman. Richard Anyapa, current business director. Now, first national chairman. Some chief CAG back Adamos resources with full assent to tribunal's view about Bawumia edges Mahama. Melville stands ghetto boys, yeah, like that. Alright, that's about yellow Mahama. Papa, that girl, that woman, ever do gala, like ghetto, you know. That's nice. All right. Quickly, naturally, don't try tribunals view Bawumia edges President Mahama. Talk less, deliver more, and don't break on African Parliament. Ex-Equapinos MCCI's NPP Eastern Regional Secretary Post. Nana B declares B for MPP first vice chairman. All right, Nana B first vice chairman. So Nana B Lakuma, that's what we have there for now. Okay, the chairman is Afuku Lakuma. And all right, don't sign federal bill. Okay, talk less. We have more time. Okay, Mau, the Chronicle. You get out of the Chronicle. Bangam to JN puts the tribunal bill on ice. I tell you, we make analysis. Chronicle, Bangam put JN put tribunal bill on ice. This is our first topic for discussion in the next 2 minutes. Put the kangaroo court bill on ice. Gold board exports 16.11 billion in gold over 17 months. MPP must rebuild trust of businesses community. Afoko. AGR needs lacking key evidence in 49.1 million Ghana cedi Eduba case. Baba Gama attach is 38. Dollar rate is 38 million cedis. Attorney General Kopado your court. Kaka, he told us if we go back with Jemo. Robionia, or Biono, which you are making Kaka Magro, Shell Magro. MPP must rebuild trust for business communities. MPP, community business people must trust us. All right. Mawu Kolemonia MPP cannot ban off for just a quick one. I'll be done now. Chronicle of I know this is disappointment. Okay, so 0267773. Yeah, no, my bad. Number 6707773. Ephesians 8 verse 24. Ephesians 8:24. Any amount of people here. Attack can you see?
Therefore, each of you must put off falsehood and speak truthfully to your neighbor, for we are all members of one body.
Ephesians
4 verse 25.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view canola basic level. And you know Americanola SHS. And you know Americanola university. Allo language you nanya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a make nanya be view mo jura po. And be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Yala dile ko so madana na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if African la nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno akbe. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima ante wan kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie nine junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi quỷ. Ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tôi. Một vài nhà quăng sự bất lực kết là.
Oh.
Những mà vật phẩm. Những mà thật chân mắt chung. Mà nó chỉ có vô cùng.
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati katifanya gbogbo ya wa. Basi hasbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko he wontam nya sura wa. Mola pasi ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Mano chiko ku no e plolo.
Vai bataka no subo. Ita bika dada sikramon tonto. Mola pasi ko wa busielo weto sira.
Mayire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miapa todo wala zoto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa mele akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala kwakwe a gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogo ndiga andrekla afa odashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mia poto yola nyadeba vola
Viva lo, akuloli le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domadu le fuda now, achite padaka, ufuto makata, mele tomo nyidewa, eti makolo no ba, na ile vola heba center, ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Park, afima na kodo, wotu akame, wakuto, wofukame, wofukame tutu dokada, vola heba center. Dr. Prosper Debeneva. Come on.
vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyon
Vola banana ni clinic na ba ti mando donon kata ni kama na mtaka sisi yo la message su la bana ko na ko da ko na awu le baji message that got to Maryland, that wow, God bless you for the message, what you're doing. I appreciate you. Christian, good morning to you. Fantastic morning. Jean-Paul Peru, merci pour votre fidélité. Okay, I'm going to message Mata. Good morning to you, Tony. This is Volta Fighter Toguja Voltanas. What do you like? I appreciate your message. Message Bubaro to Nobian Mano Uso Bobo. Moko message to Katang, Moni Mato and the Kare. Kubo dari tak magas sebab mau kata sudah menjadi teacher aku kata pone pressure nyalakan ya kan good morning brother Tony, you are doing well, may God Almighty continue to bless you. I am of support from way brother Tony came off or I Ata must come back to his hometown. I am Kusobo from way brother Tony came off or I Ata must come back to his home town. Amen. All right, I appreciate you. Okay,
Last week, I think at the point you go and that should also try to enjoy the worship. And so I think aside that, the problem is that next year, I got the next year, the before the you can meet and call it my back door. But then I'm saying, I bet you have done that. They don't have
World Cup.
Attacking wise, then because the whole tournament we are possible, the defense was very good. You are attacking now pressures. I Spain the France go. Maybe Spain go to method. Spain win ya many because they just have like France take back here. Yapo the year because France I find a lot of said after the catch. The mobile second. This is the game and then the good one the then for country like the best over very best time over performance. The budget to the Namibian game. The play I Spain 0-0. I just congratulate perfect coach. The other big teams. I think it's a good one. It's went for the woman and well as only there I don't have to complain about the UN government who handle supporters with funds when they go away and all that side that it is well organized. I make it by every week. That we are prepared. I will work on the activities anyway. And then I think this is what I can go. At least not just the talk and they are getting and they can do one another of the world that they are. That's no way. I mean, that's the corruption. For once,
okay, ataku ya misona no cho ya buko ya kwa bele mokai nyaken mokau nenda to atu bobo this loss aku nyadi sia manusia bon Chelsea lo na resti so wami banaji un ton de amunga ubahaba to beto kubo shamo ye no jaso ko majiji ko ko amia to ke mama it gives us a lot of losses.
Oh yes, at least I don't know whether you forgot this tournament. Probably after the problem, and there are football again. Mr. Nyom, Mr. Habo Oganam, Afiom Shiamama War, national team, Samahani, Kakeoma, Mr. Yamamata. At the end of the day, oh, yeah, decisive decision. I love the idea that for so that is one. So government affairs is for limited. But we have the sports minister to all the other stakeholders. And to so why that? Teenagers number American number 10 or notice.
Look over me, look now. Let me say, what that one about? I call it 2 months, but ago, a good leader who go to Queros. You know, if I'm training,
even with the business. So you have a participation, just as a I think it's about time the ministry, in conjunction with the government, will continue because a lot of allegations are true. And then they want to try results maybe boosted, maybe boosted to round of 15 people, and we are happy. That is not the target. Get a very actually, and then they can football, let me invest in make sure that we put it all produce results.
Anak orang dia tu apa amon jod taktikal bos cari body ukur jone Ghana jadi dunia jaga bocil nak sinyap serius dulu tu apa punya bola apa asal ya bumi lagi di buku dia tak tahu kan apa ni apa buku tu semua orang betul
At least it's very
well, egbaf ni bolnya udukunnya ka mereka juga kami gabung nama World Cup punya program banyak. Punya orang aku kaya bikin aku punya banyak paruh kata bakal ya. Aku baunya program kata si sebani mau konveni teu tradina alu bodoh nyadropo kolobi nyadropo kolobi emang yang di tahu kolobi nyadropo ya kolobi nyadropo apa tu nyadropo ro shareholder buat council nyadropo ke gua baru ni lah di assembly ya yo council ada tanya wanu bago amaru kuno nak maru jam maru berada bukan apa semua ini ya oh ya lu Ego, malo, iya, yo makin apa, coba justice. That was the end time. There was no democracy, and but over saya menjabat untuk menjabat lokal, assembly malu, council mese, tribunal yawan, GUC, ni dollar working class, work as good day. Jeez, dorong muna no cari koperasi ame, mabio, mungkin rapina ya go, sekau ye zaman bena betul, kisah kau mana dola, itu sangat kritis. Yo, akhirnya, nyata ini soalnya, dengan si pola kata, yang lebih dola saya. Debe kata dokter betul, yang bodoh dia. Jadi so, ini ada dalam dapat the cabinet 2026. And then, constitution. And article 126, 144 of the constitution. And then, the cabinet they are reduce pressure on the court today. Because of the cases in the courts are also, and the courts all over, they are not having a case for you. I think if you have a big case about the level. I don't go to sometime back, and then I have a job. And then, if you have a court there, you have a court there. The court can 5 years. They say you sit one to do after. I don't know about who are not vegetation and the one. I assume you didn't have court in the first tribunals and court, they are under the issue. The other one also and even the records are every year about 3,000 cases. Y'all know that you're going to be for mutual justice. That this is the fast track court system. Kalau cucu kokola, cucu kokola. Democracy amesia mebe mole be enuko jebe na wo be wa gboro alo nuke nyake bi agboro to wa gboro free without abedeke awo nuke na wo unless be cause fear panic alo nuke de ko aside that tribunals ya enu ni amedo ya mi accident unless ame ya offer to go tribunals or are definitely looking at the open track record to na bedeke to le wa now
what the Funaga at the end of the day, government the check to bring about me and reduce backlog in the court of me and reduce backlog in the court of and you have the government that have set up another court where they were there your hand back cases my hell pending now. After government they have set up court. There were a couple of judges were put over regulation, put over one of man. Because in Chomekona, a judge, high court judge, is earning about 70,000 plus a month. But I have set up court and the government I can remunerate and may also provide incentive in the share now because there was expand. The cases the door luminous dollar pending cases will go out fast track one. No, compared to these tribunals, better. The government they approach here. And you know, American football, they have those tribunals they handle it. That made over fast track. Evidence earlier, over the tribunals over dollar. Well,
maybe a tribunal magistrate or the over to Kogalo, Mau Dogan.
Good work on another not so play judge like the judge of Nia, not so play out.
Tribunal, sorry. Achitan no go alo oha juga pejiga no on.
Yes, and that is the court city. So that's the court city. So the government some of these places.
Ye ubia apa yang makin dia aku tinggal ini cases kau handle bola. Ayat don't you minor criminal cases. Government dia buat dong apa mana ke? Oleh amal iman ke? Nama bapa mau aku kudrat itu be mama. Ebi awak tak ada beberapa no remand apa. And now if you go over sentences one minor but two popular ashima bukota popular tomohaka amara fama though it's the gravity of the case is trivial I can over to police better on that one of Tapi buat court declaration ada mana nonyang mana keep record Ambil kata dia baru tamu moha ke prison service baga traffic offenses
for non-existent and then the host of them are
Any kedai tribunal sistem baik, jiru bakal tribunal sistem bimbang yang kedai tribunal sistem baik.
Then abuse, over abuse of their rights. Then I'm willing to settle scores.
No, I want the demerits. Let's just that. Let's not jump on the ball. Let's carry you Bagma kangaroo justice. Kangaroo court ya court kaya mo kala kumanya sang bajaji so manya sebagar ko nyola ka bulubi pocket lawyer pocket judges au Number 2, sped up justice. Never pata for even I'm about in a Camila. I could have instead of giving the person time to get a lawyer, to get counsel. Namana given. I never said, we are that I will proper legal counsel that I will so that as your bail. I'm a living guarantee. political cause because I'm not going to reform the Shamabama unit committee member, Daniel Ward chairman, the NDC. Daniel Toro, Koshakubo, Madakoe, the Takala, because of Yamu tell the Takala, and I go say, and what Takogania, you understand that kind of thing. Audits. You see, the court system must be audited. You understand? It must be appraised. Judgments must be appraised. Documentation, there's no connection. Judges, so the second court one, the high court, who appeal judgment. This kind of networking system, it wasn't there. Lakati menya o district executive attacking don't menya camera la has been terribly damaged by this court. So we saw so many excesses and we thought that we have moved forward. Now, Fifi Amibe 24-hour economy. This is the question I'm coming now, Amibe 24-hour economy. Why won't you make this court system a 24-hour court where an additional judge will come or additional registrar will come? So that instead of Alekone High Court by 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, to Fakatale MTR, 3 o'clock, there's new set of cases Gajin Rukakava Services. Why won't you see this as a test to your 24-hour economy system? You understand? So with the current infrastructure and expertise and technology that caters for all the messes and the nuances of the tribunal system, you rather move to a 24-hour court system. Why not that?
Yeah, so I would like to say head player. It's a good suggestion. I'm a no player, but at the end of the day, there are cost implications. Aside the cost implications aspect of
Number two, me will cost over tribunal had there will be cost. Okadi shige, aloesi shige, police vavage.
But comparatively, because of a mayor of the city, you have one sitting on the cases one, compared to having a judge. Supreme Court or High Court judge. Let's say who definitely you need a High Court judge here no case or and so if you are running a shift, allow the shift to run now, you can see the cost implication compared to Amede 70, Amede Hill and 10 for that adds to the state. The only thing in here I'm all for what okay, Abanye targeted one opposition parties were Abanye target. 8 or 4 in the 1980s.
It's not even my problem because you know what? The reason why I don't want us to go into the NDC MPP aspect of it is that and you know get me jojo this Ibu Buvavage, Regional Minister Buvavage Bereka, Omukata change again. So that is not. I'm not so concerned about that. You understand what you do to Miracles Abuaji? You understand it can be done to Samit if you want. You get what I mean? Because at the point Miracles was so untouchable.
Oh yes, sure.
Do you get it? So that's not my concern. If you like, do whatever you like with the law. It will be done to you.
Oh yes.
So let's go to the main issues.
So this court we are establishing.
Good.
They are not even a MPP member. They are level 4. Hello, there was a system of tribunals against the Yedi. No, definitely one day things with them. At the end of the day, this offense is criminal, financial, environmental offenses already legitimate. Is targeting opposition party opportunity here. Make sure that you give our request. I will make it expect only. Expect in mining, expect in some of these offenses.
All I'm thinking is that use this as a litmus test to your 24-hour economy. Nya wo be 24-hour economy. Asa de bia na to ko jina. 24-hour economy. Kakaka women work bank na no na wa bank na shashi. You see, you know what? Question again. Why won't you 24-hour economize the court space that we have? That's just a question I have.
Yes. So now 24-hour economy. At least the parliament do all that sociology, and then it's stage by stage, meaning implementation of that. Then that means we are host that means testing. That test the cost system, how to handle the cost implications of what to handle. Fine, you know what? We have to know the law. If you the current cost system, the regulation.
No. The issue we are talking about costs are cases are rather trivial, minor. You understand minor offenses. Some of them minor offenses, straightforward cases. You see it. Did you jump on the traffic light? Yes or no? License like you are. Wait. You don't put that for a hand. Second court, allo district court, where cases are judgment already easy. So some of the cases are straight cases. And the book money license last year. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So it's not the tribunal issue.
Use the space.
Use the space. You see, I'm helping you guys. If the big judge, that is any 70,000 votes, the small judge that's taking 700 should come and use that same space, the same court premise. You understand? Because all the more experience in adjudication.
So now, about
see, listen to me. The space and the entire system, court are the space for the whole system. That COVID don't make a court. Never court are again. Especially when they mention criminal cases, you don't know guilty. You are remanded. Remember cases to fly. The typical judges sitting on so many criminal cases. Sometimes by 10 a.m. over 5 days, the FIR, next case. Kaka by 10 to court back. As a support don't comedy and costs. These inefficiencies and corruptions are them. Trust me and have our way. The legal system that adjudicated system don't corrupt systems. So give it competition. And you're going to say, what are you at there's nothing on Friday. I go on Friday, don't do anything. So Friday, Monday, tribunal, can you have a whole timetable? It could be a because I'm anxious to see 24-hour economy working. I'm anxious.
24-hour economy. Very soon, over what checks and they follow the court system to not run 24-hour that schedule, the court system. Fine, then
you see, we were politics. See, let trust me on this. I don't think that can be a good lawyer. Are you getting me? Are you going to train? But you see, public policy is technocratic. It involves a lot of things. Another way you look at this is about rent control. Rent control, rent control, rent control, by 12. And you're going to say, so all rent cases by 12. Get to that tribunal about money. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? The company never gives you so much rent control.
The only challenge is that if the space,
I'm a secretary. But the one I get space after the implementation of this thing. A already existing. easy I'm like, okay, look at me on a rent case. Tribunal, let's strategize like this. Let's bring one more secretary. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? That can get 24 hours. We don't want any other thing. Actually, I'm not in the Tribunal. I don't know, but then you come. I tell you now.
For some of these cities, so definitely
Richmond, not everything that can be passed should be passed. Baumia has spoken. Please listen. Listen. All right, King, Richard King, you didn't ask Nana Akufo-Addo not to sign the bill, but you want to advise the wise man. It is easy. Solomon, Solomon. All right. Next one, number one, as they afraid. The NDC accepted OSP office. So what's the problem? Today, OSP is working in favor of the NDC. So that are you trying to government so message also I would take it like that. But who cares if OSP is working in favor of the NDC? OSP is an independent body. Do you understand? Statutory body. It's not constitutional, but it's statutory. And it's supposed to work and belong to the law. Can work in favor of it. If you ever go and do forget that. Forget that. Baumia can worry. I took my time to listen to him, thinking he's gonna sack one to me, only for him to be reacting to a voice. Something tribunal. The funny part now refers to JDM as the president, and no more the incompetent one. My question: so must Baumia be president at all costs? All right, thank you for message. Mama, I never love myself. Mama, time I'm university. I've not, but the one you have taken a young person. Taken a young now. At back, gathered in your phone, Malabo. So, you might get text messages from but not the WhatsApp I can read it to the web. Please, you understand? So, text messages or I will look when you know, you got a text messages now, like part, with your part. So, all right, I think I'll take two more, and then messages are done. Okay, I will be. Sounds like we will be talking, but chairman is scared to cause Honorable Apenyo might go there. Oh, to tribunal. People like you. Apenyo tribunal. Tribunal is from Tumen. I will original level. You people are leaving the guy, Frankie Jagaba, who wrote this speech for Baumia. So this is just fun. Don't mind now. All right, thank you. One that he should channel the same energy into calling on Ofori and Atta to return to answer the questions surrounding his tenure. As for himself, he should stop the distractions and get some rest. All right. Thank you for your message. Jonas, the bed of good morning to you, Tony. All right, I see all right. Click your British camera. All right, he will sign, Papa. All right, thank you. I'll just read messages. Final two. God may have brought there, but you people set up OSP. Nobody question you. Stay in lane. All right, Henry, for your has this man been able to tell Freya to come home? from hibernation in the US before advising the president. Parliament represents the people. Parliament has spoken. The president has to sign. Okay, Agbanu Kwame, he should be happy for it and appreciate or approve it. What is your worry about it? All right. You see, NEC people that are writing, and I love you so much, I can tell you when politics not what you think, he just need money. So simple. I go on teaching minister, Baba go parliament, Baba go the road there. But I'm going to go you can go to my factory industry, export-led economy. No corona in America, but on Apple. I come remember by China. No corona in America. Daddy, what I'm trying to tell you is that, what I'm trying to tell you, for example, minister people, he should have said that. You understand? That oh, minister who criticize policy without knowing. You have to speak as if the thing is working. Those are the bottlenecks or the loopholes or the great sides of the policy. Well, never done about it forward.
Yes, I go back on Poland, but I can which is even aside that it highlights the good aspects what the policy is.
That I'm never
and how over the next few years to come.
That is the people who
it's not only the poultry local produce so for me, the policy is okay. Ghana, we have produced more of that. We have self-sufficient in poultry. We have poultry. So, but then let's say we try on the tribunals. We have tribunals the district. So this district, they have minor ones. That's how we went for high court because they also handle economic, criminal, high-profile criminal cases.
Because who is appointing officer? The president and his apparatus. Who is appointing officer of the magistrate? Who composes the committee? In this program
school feeding program no disperse to your account now. No report account to check now. And because of issues when you auditor report and your mouth village or
the president's sign. Have you ever say I'm over you, Bodomi, Wontropoga, Toma, Councilman, Bodo, Wontropoga, beside all right.
Because for now, I'm going to check out because 3 days ago, similarly, political game.
Didi 1 year judgment for normal kota I don't drama maybe da Chingakara anak mana terus amo magano mama koyo gaka amo kami na case magana de robo so aku na de political science aku na de journalism so anya go free speech on trial ja Muhammad Jasis model sebenarnya TikTok dia sebenarnya fokus dan rasional
in every community TikTok
maybe our culture is against that. I can say things about
against free speech. Free speech is limited. Whatever responsibility and whatever comes with it, everyone already has it. This document, the even previous president or the one Ojibwe. The call Then you have to journalist, this guy, this NDC guy, journalist, and the MPP, similar thing happened. They will come and they will create fear and panic. There's this, is it Bob? Check. What the method, I don't know the other when you're overall about so for me, at least I reduce sentence, at least 1 month or 2 months. Deterrent enough.
That's not journalism. Journalism, maybe I'm not poor, young people. It's our journalism is everywhere. No, we are going to talk about that. No, what's the problem? I don't know away. Never police no law in the even cry everyone here. You are just a woman. No law. It's not something that you should act like it's not possible.
the media space. Wakwa Africa, and insult, and it doesn't help. By that is the core.
Okay, I'm sorry, you see, after year, South African super gaga. Next matter, you should forgive. Martin Luther King Jr. Betama, you go abolish slavery, Martin Luther King should forgive. And he used non-violent protest. Louis Farrakhan used violence. Martin Luther King used violence. We will not survive. You understand what I mean? So, as a great president and an Assemblies of God teaching, at that level, nobody never attacked the tricky. You understand? What will maybe take you, okay? The trigger processes. With that, when your no, it's amnesty. That's the meaning. Amnesty. President party. I bet you were president. Ladies, almost 2 years.
There are statements here. Some countries don't want China to open
Kojo Yanka, political issue of Ghana. Kojo Yanka, according to Kojo Yanka, political issue of Ghana. According to Kojo Yanka, political issue of Ghana.
Last week, and then the 24-hour market Japan.
Kita punya pulang ke mengenai doa juga mengenai di mana akbenami awal menuju risiko orang berusaha dan motivasi sebenarnya berada ini baca pola hewan clean blending nah coba kita dapat untuk menambah tawanan sama dengan orang lain.
No silence ever English dictionary. Nyatepe. But si dictionary akara azon fi e pasi K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language on. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a still make nenya be view mo jura po. And be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile ko so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can I call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the kana WhatsApp afisi African la nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa conveno akpe. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very ma. If I don't quit them, go. Kaka to put. Tanya too much try to toy. When you want to put a killer.
Oh.
Then my fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, watch it go.
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukwane gbogbo ya wa. Base hasbena di dile nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nkura mu a. Bola pasi ko ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Bueno, chico,
Va vai batakalu sugo. Ita bi ga dade fikremon tonto. Bola pati ke wa wusielo weto fira.
Mayire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no pla. Na zama fiva na kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nya to matoro ha. Wo za vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yira vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika la chike drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pa le apulawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apo le old fashion le akwe kala hwahwe gada woji le agodo ma Yellow House Street wo jango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrek le afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola nina ne miayi vola ba senta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola e fifa lo akuloli le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu kame wa ofuto ofukame ofukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no na ma vikle de fio mo hoppo wi afo
Ago. Oh, what the? Let go do it.
Oh, còn thế mà. Đi bà đã khuyến lòng lộ cái tụi bụi. Ta nhà chú mắt ra đi tuổi. Một nhà vong sự bất lực khét lệ.
Oh. Đi bà đã cái này lấy á, bà chỉ cái quan nhà bố ya wa. Bà sẽ hạt bên đó đi lên nó nằm phía. Cô quay nó